Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hi students, I hope everyone doing great. So how was your test?
Good.
Hmm?
Easy, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, are you feeling better, sir? You were not feeling well last week.
Yeah, thank you. I'm doing good now.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. So how was the test? Any doubts from the test?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So shall we start with new chapter?
Yes, sir. Sir, you
Yes.
corrected our paper, sir.
Which papers?
Sir, last week.
Last week I didn't, but we discussed the questions, right?
No, sir.
Yes.
We discussed the questions.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir, the probability test, sir, like you kept another data handling test, no, sir.
Probability test. That paper want you me to discuss.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening. Just a moment.
So, which chapter are we starting, sir?
Uh, no, few people said that they have some doubts on.
Sir, can we start mensuration, sir? We have an exam this weekend, that's why.
Sir, can we start the comparing quantities?
Mm, so what all doubts you have? You please tell.
Sir, this width, sir, this width of a size class interval, sir. That one.
So first question, any doubt? I'm
Sir,
asking every one of you. Doubt.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is clearly mentioned that. So it is clearly mentioned that the size of the class interval 30 to 40. Size of the class interval 30 to 40. What you meant by size of I already told you what is class interval. While we are discussing bar graph questions, I already told you the what?
Sir,
What
I
is
have
class
doubt
interval?
on 22nd question, sir.
We are discussing. Nainika, I hope you hear what I'm saying. Zubair asked one doubt, I'm discussing. Wait for
Okay,
a
sir.
while. Okay. So the width here, I gave one term, and also or the size of the class interval. Size of the class interval means how many, like what exactly the length between width between those two. So it is given that 30 to 40. So the range is from 30 to 40. So if you subtract 40 minus 30, you will be getting how much? 10. So answer is 10 for this. Any
Okay,
doubt
sir.
in this question?
No, sir.
So let me check who all attended this test and also reveal your marks. So Gautam Krishna got 50, Gagana got 47.75, Sahiti got 40. Let me see. Charantej got 43.50, Nainika got 43, Anuradha, like, who is
Sir,
Anuradha actually?
I got 43.5, sir.
Yeah, 43.5, 43.5 Charantej, 41.25 is Anuradha. What is your name, man? Anuradha or what is your name?
Pranav, sir. Pranav.
Then why it's showing here as Anuradha?
Like actually, my name was Pranav, sir, in Zoom, but it changed automatically one day, sir. From that, I have also tried to change the settings. It had succeed, but it failed again, sir.
Okay, fine. Zubair 36.75, Rahim 34.25, Lasya, Varshit, Muhammad, Ronit, Shrestha, Sai Karthik, and Bhavishya are absent for the exam.
Sir, how much did I get from
41.25.
Sir, this is the
from sir?
Saturday, right?
Sir, you did not tell
41.25
me my
from
name, sir.
50.
Sir, you did not tell me my name, sir. Rudra.
47.75, Venkat Rudra Tanmay. So
Okay, sir.
Sir,
top
mine.
marks. Who is that? Who's there?
Sir, Gagana, sir.
Gagana 47.75. Gautam Krishna is here in the class. He got 50. Gagana second. Gagana and Sahiti got second mark. That is second highest mark. Even Venkat Rudra also got second highest mark. Then comes Charante, third highest mark comes Charantej and Nainika, that is 43.50. Okay, chalo. So what about this? If a coin is flipped in the air, what is the probability of getting a tail?
1/2, sir.
1
1/2.
by 2.
So I already discussed this many times in the class. So
Yes.
1/2. Again, a bag has 4 red balls. So this is a bag. It has 4 red balls. I'm denoting it with R, red balls as, and 4 green balls. Same bag has 4 green balls. Four red balls and 4 green balls. So what is the probability of getting a red ball randomly?
Sir, 1 by 2.
1 by 2, sir.
So what is the probability of getting a red ball randomly? So how many balls we have? Total 8 balls. Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
in that 8 balls, 4 are green and 4 are red. So 4 are green and 4 are red means if you see here, there are only 2 outcomes. What is probability? I told you. Number of
Yes.
expected outcome by total outcomes. Total outcome means how much here? It can either be a red or either be a green. So 2 in denominator. And what is the question asked? Probability of getting a red means only expected outcome should be only 1. So 1. So 1/2 is the answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. What about other people didn't on their cameras? Sai Karthik Reddy, Venkat, Rudra,
Sir, I'm switching on. Sir.
Sahiti.
Running from my computer.
Okay. Pictorial representation of data using symbols is known as.
Pictograph,
Sir.
sir.
So this question is also with this theory part also we discussed in the class. So this is pictograph. Double bar graphs display dash sets of data simultaneously.
Two
Double
sets.
bar graph.
Sir.
This is simple question again. Two sets of data simultaneously. The number of times of particular item occurs in a given data is called as. This is also
Frequency.
Sir.
frequency. In a group data, each of the groups is called.
Class interval.
Class interval.
In a group data, each of the groups is called.
Class interval,
Please
sir.
go through the question once again.
Sir. Group.
Option D or B.
Last year, what's the answer? I'm asking last year, please
Sir,
don't tell.
Sir, D, sir.
The group to frequency distribution.
Option.
No, you go through the question properly, please. We are not discussing about frequency here.
Just give me 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. What happened? What was the answer for this? Gagana, what was your answer for this?
Sir, class
B.
interval.
So the answer is class interval, okay? So the answer is what?
Interval.
Class
Class
interval.
interval. So group data, each of the groups is called. So in a group data, each of the group. So what exactly class interval defines? How many?
Each groups.
Each group of data. So we already see the size of class interval. Here 10 people group. So that is a group data. Next. If 20 to 30 is a class interval of group data, then lower class limit is this also I said.
20, sir.
20.
Please, sir.
So 20 to 30 if you consider
20, sir.
this is lower class limit and this is upper class limit.
Sir, 20, sir.
Sorry?
20, sir.
So 20 is lower class limit. Next, the number of hours for which students, this question also we
Sir,
discussed. Similar kind of question.
you taught this in class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same
Okay, so I hope no doubt for on this question.
Yes,
Everyone, shall I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Check the given table and give the correct answer to the question. What is total number of students for all ranges?
60.
60.
So if you all ranges means you have to consider this range 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400, 400 to 450, 450 to 500. If you consider all these range, the sum of 10 plus 12 is how much? 22. 22 plus 14 is 36.
36 plus 15, sir.
36 plus
49
26.
and then 50, 60, sir.
24 is 60.
Equal to 60.
So final answer is 60 for this. Next, a die is thrown. What is the probability of getting prime number?
Sir, one by two.
Sir, 1/6, sir. 1/6. 1/6.
2 is
One
the
by
only even prime number.
So what are the
The own-
outcomes? Just a minute. What all are the outcomes that when we throw a dice come? What it is? 1, 2, 3,
3, 4,
4,
and 5.
5, 6. Correct. So what are the total number of
So it's
outcomes?
1/2.
6, sir. Total number of outcomes is 6, sir.
How many prime numbers are there here? 1,
3.
2 is also a prime number. Correct. 2 is
Yes,
prime
sir.
number or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2, 3 and 5.
3 and 5, sir.
So
So
1 is not
2
counted as
by
a prime
6, sir,
number,
we'll
right?
get 2. We'll
So
get
one is
Even
neither
prime.
prime nor composite.
What you meant by even prime?
2, sir.
Should
2
be
is the
divisible by
only.
it should be divisible by 2, sir.
Then what is the answer here?
2, sir. 2.
Oh, 1/6.
1/6.
Sir, the only even prime number is 2, so it's only one
So
even,
only
no,
even
sir.
prime number is 2. So
2,
2
sir.
means
1 by
what?
6.
One,
So
one,
2 means
one event, sir. One
so
event.
expected outcome should be only 1. That is 2.
One.
So 1 by 6.
1 by 6.
So answer is 1 by 6.
Sir, that is also correct, but you said that 1 is a prime number, sir. But it is neither composite nor prime, right?
prime.
Yeah. Not a composite, not a prime. Yes. So when two coins are tossed, I also discussed when we toss two coins, what all are the outcomes to be considered, and what all are the expected outcomes. So expected outcomes will be that it will be given in the question. So when two coins are tossed, what is the probability of getting tails for both the coins? So I already told you, two coins are tossed means how much it is? 2 square. What is the total number of outcome here?
4.
4.
4.
How it will be 4? I will tell you. First head, tail, tail. Only these outcomes. This is a what space, overall space. See, if you just throw two coins in air, how it will become? If you throw two coins in air, will it be half head, half tail? No, right?
No, sir.
For sure, it should be head. So these all are the possibilities, total number of possibilities. And what they are asking, tails for both the coins. So this is 1 by 4 is the answer. Are you getting my pen? What is total sample space here? Total probability space here. Total outcomes here. 4 outcomes.
4, sir. 4.
Hi Karthik, are you here in the class?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you switch on your camera? I never seen you in the class owning a camera. What about other people?
Sir, I'm Rudra, sir. Network issue, sir.
Lasya, please answer question number 13.
Yes, sir.
How can you do that actually while you can't wait for 30 minutes? If you feel hunger, you can.
Sir?
And also send me the answer for 13th, Sai Karthik Reddy. 13th question.
Sir,
What is the name?
Can I send in chat box, sir?
Let me wait. Let me go for a private wait. What happened last year? What was your answer? When two dice are thrown, what is the sample space? When two dice are thrown, this question we discussed in the class or not? When two dice are
Sir, I
thrown.
said my answer.
No, that's completely wrong, as expected.
Sir,
So
can I
when,
tell, sir?
Sir, 6.
no. So what is the total number of outcomes when two dice are thrown?
Sir, 12,
We
sir.
discussed this
36.
question in the class. We
Sir,
discussed this question in
36.
the class.
Sir, may I
Sir,
tell, sir?
12,
May I
sir.
tell?
So there are how many? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 outcomes,
Tell,
6
sir.
outcomes, 36. So 36 is the answer. Next, find the class mark of class interval 50 to 60. How do you find the class mark of class interval 50 to 60?
Sir, average, sir.
It's simple. It's nothing but class mark is nothing but lower class limit plus upper class limit by 2. So if you go here 50 plus 60 by 2. So that further results to 110 by 2. 255. So answer is 55.
55.
The class mark of 95 to 100 is. Again, this is a similar question.
7.5, sir.
97.5.
So 195 by 2, that is nothing but 90.
97. Sir, I have a doubt.
97.5, sir. 97.5.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, 32 option is C, right, sir?
I don't know actually. You please tell. You please tell. We discussed this in class now. Now you please teach me. What is the answer for this? Class, are you here in the class?
Yes, sir.
You please tell me. How it is 36? Thirty-six is very good. You said a good, you gave a good answer for this. But how it is 36?
Sir, because each die has 6 possible outcomes total. So, it will be taking it as 6 into 6, so it will be 36.
6. Okay, fine. Very good. Next. The central total angle in a pie chart is
360.
360.
360.
again a bag contains 3 red and 5 black. A ball is drawn at a random from the bag. What is the probability that ball drawn is red? So a
3
bag
by 8.
contains
So 3
8
by 8.
a bag contains 8 balls. Okay. In that 8 balls, 3 are red and 5 are black. And 3 are red. Okay. So now what will be my answer? What is the probability that ball is drawn is red? What is the total number of outcomes here?
8, sir.
8.
Yes, sir.
Total number of outcome means when you keep on picking 8 times you pick, in that 3, as there are 3 balls, 3 red balls, 3 by 8 is the answer. Why? Because expected outcome should be red. There are red balls,
Red.
no? So 3 by 8. Total number of expected outcome is 3 reds. So 3 by 8. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Next. What is the probability of getting a king in a card is drawn from a pack of 52?
Sir, can I tell this one, sir?
So sorry for giving this question, but this question you should do actually.
Sir, I know this, sir. How to do this?
Sir,
Okay.
Sir, in a pack of
sir, I
cards,
got 1 by 13, sir.
in those 52 cards, there will be 4 suits, sir.
So total number of cards, it is already given that. So total number of cards, it's nothing but total number of outcomes. So that is 52. So denominator should be 52.
Sir, 4.
By expected
Sir,
number of outcomes.
I got
4
1
by
by
52,
14.
sir.
Sir, I got 1 by 14, sir.
Huh?
That is wrong. 1 by 14. अरे बाबा तू इधर simplification नहीं करना है भाई.
Like 1 by 13, sir, I got.
1 by 13. No, it's wrong
So it's
answer.
4 by 52 as there are 4 kings in
4
the
by 15 do, sir.
deck of cards.
So you know a deck of playing cards, right? Playing cards.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
So in a deck of playing cards, you have 4 kings. Okay.
Sir, I got 4 by 52, sir.
Arey Babas. Okay, Pranava. Okay, you don't. Why are you so excited to give answer? Just a minute, wait. So if you see here, 4 king cards will be. King cards means you can see there king is standing on. If you see a deck of card, if out of 52, you can see there 4 king cards will be. In that 4 king cards, 2 will be red and 2 will be black. 2 will be red and 2 will be, but they didn't mention what is the color of. They just told a king. So I will be collectively taking 4 kings. So 4 by 52. So expected outcome should be 4 by 52. You please never go in probability. You should never go for what? simplification, further simplification. And this fellow, what is this? His name 52 wala. He is saying 1 by 13. Pranava, what is your answer? 1 by 13.
Sir, 4 by 52 I got, sir.
You are saying some 1 by 13, 1 by 14, 3 by 14, something.
1 by 13, sir.
1 by 13. How you will get 1 by 13? 13 into 4 is how much? 52. Until and unless options are provided as 1 by 13, you should never consider it as 1 by 13. If and only simplified option is provided, then only you have to consider 1 by 13. Instead of 4 by 52, if they give 1 by 13 in the option, then only you can consider it as. And always please remember, only consider as per probability definition. Probability definition is nothing but what? Total number of expected number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. As per that formula only you have to go. Definition only you have to go. If further simplification is required, they will mention in the option, or else it's not required. Yes, Gagana, what's your doubt?
Sir, I actually have data handling for my exam. So if I get probability topic, I have probability topic. So should I also learn like how many A's are there in a card, in a pack of cards?
So usually, did they discuss in the class as per your
No,
syllabus?
sir. No,
So
sir, they
actually, the
did
thing
not
what
discuss.
happened is this is not included in your syllabus. But in competitive examination, if you write International Mathematics Olympiad, AMVI, Association of Mathematics, some AMT, SATs, and many other tests, RM or Regional Mathematics Olympiads, these questions will be asked. That's the reason why I gave you this question. So if you have any idea, for now you please ignore this question.
We got a question like this, like we in our textbook. We were asked about A's.
Yes, in deck of pack card, that 52 cards, you'll be also having A's. So if that's the case, you can also solve this kind of problems.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, what is the probability? Ho gaya. A child has a block in the shape of cube with one letter written on each face.
Sir,
Why, Pranava? Why you will interrupt me? Is this a manner you learn from your teachers in the school you are studying? I get irritated if someone interrupts me, and you are the person who always interrupts me. What do you want to please tell? I'm here reading out the question, and you suddenly, sir, what is this? I know what you can see me, right? My camera is on you. You can hear my voice. You are not a deaf person or blind person. Yes, what do you want to please tell?
sir, like there is no question mentioned in this, sir. So I didn't got anything.
No question means what?
Like I didn't have a question to solve, sir. So I didn't got any answer. Like a child has a block in the shape of a cube with one letter written on each face as shown below. But what is the question? I didn't understand, sir.
That I will say no, no. It is not only the problem to you, no. Other students also wrote the exam, no. Yes, Nanika, you also have the same doubt.
Yes, sir.
A child has a block in the shape of a cube with one letter on each face as shown below. Okay, then find the outcome of A. Sorry for this improper question. Sorry for missing data. Find the probability of getting A. Now send your answers on the chat box. Everyone from the class. So you know what is total number of outcomes?
Sir, I sent, sir.
Rudra correct. Anuradha correct. Gagana correct. Sahiti correct. Nainika correct. Sai Karthik correct. Rudra correct. Zubair correct. Amatur wrong. Charantej correct. Last day is here in the class. Shrestha, what is your answer for this? Saiti, what's your answer for this?
Sir, it's 1/3.
Yes, 1/3. Okay. So total number of outcomes you already aware of 6. Why? Because 6. It's already mentioned in the question that a child has a cube. Cube, how many sides it has? 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And if you see how many A's we have here, 2 A's. So total number of expected outcomes should be A. So A is like 2 A's here. So 2/6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So here if you see simplified. So option simplified, no? Then you can simplify and put it as an option. Next, the probability of sure event is. This is also we discussed. Sure event. 100% is happening means what is the probability of it?
1, sir.
1, okay. In the histogram, the height of rectangle shows. This also we discussed.
Frequency of the class, sir.
Frequency of the class.
Right? Height of the shows what?
So can you explain this question,
Frequency of the
please?
class.
In histogram, the height of the histogram is same like what I said.
Bar
Shrestha.
graph, sir. Bar graph.
What is the difference? I also gave you clear definition between histogram and what?
Sir,
Bar
can
graph. I also told you what exactly. When frequency is included, then that is called as histogram. For a bar graph. Yes, Zubair.
It will be in tally, sir. Histogram.
Huh?
It will be in tally, sir. Histogram.
Histogram. You didn't study this histogram. You didn't copy notes while I'm teaching the class. I gave you sufficient time to copy the notes too.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you miss the class?
Sir, I
Yes,
copied.
so histogram is nothing but. Should I give you again explanation what is about histogram?
No need, sir.
Shrestha, you? No problem. If you have any doubt on histogram, please
Yes,
let
sir.
me
Can
know.
you just explain it one more time? Because
Sorry?
So just explain it one more time. I'm a little confused.
See, histogram is similar kind of. So here histogram is similar kind of bar graph. Okay. So here this is called class interval. As we already discussed for bar graph, if you want to consider class interval will be there. So again here in class interval, including class interval, there will be another factor will be adding here in histogram. What is that? Frequency. Okay. What will be adding here? Frequency. So always remember, suppose this is class interval, here the frequency will be on y-axis. Frequency will be on y-axis. So 2, suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. But whereas you consider this bar graph is nothing but data they will only give. What should be on x-axis and what should be on y-axis. But in histogram, y-axis, it is always fixed that frequency. It is always fixed that on y-axis it should be frequency and x-axis it should be class interval. Suppose if I tell you to draw a bar graph, see here I will give you an example which we discussed in the class here itself. See here, this is bar graph, no? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Here if you see the bar graph, here it is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. These are intervals, right?
Yes, sir.
If I ask you what is the size of interval, what is the answer here? Size of interval. What is the size of interval here? Just now we discussed very first question. Sorry? First question we discussed now, very first question of this test.
Sir, 8.
Who is that?
Sir, we
8,
need
how
to subtract. Sir, 1. Sir, we need to subtract.
it's 1. Oh my God, you people are not concentrating on the class or what? Just now we discussed few minutes back. Oh my God, what kind of people you are? Okay. And here if you see number of students. Suppose if I ask you how many times number of students. Suppose if I ask, and previous question also it is like, this is number of students, okay, watching TV, yeah? TV, yeah. But if you consider, so this is a bar graph. You can mention anything on x-axis and y-axis. But in histograph, there should be class interval for sure and frequency for sure to construct. To construct a histograph or histogram, there should be frequency on y-axis and x-axis, as x-axis will be what? Class interval for sure. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is only difference between only difference between histogram and bar graph is, bar graph is the data which is predicted from the given data, which you draw as you like. So this is one of the example, hours of TV, and this is number of students. Suppose if I construct this graph with a time interval or class interval from 6 to 7, you having this subject. Suppose I will note down here subjects. All subjects I will note down here: maths, physics, science, social, economics. Monday to Tuesday. I will note down here Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, Thursday to Friday. I will construct a graph: Monday to Tuesday, maths; Tuesday to Thursday, physics of social. Suppose social is here, so Tuesday to Thursday is from this to this. In this way I can construct. But coming to histograph, frequency should be a fixed parameter. For sure there should be a frequency. So I hope every one of you got it cleared with difference, what exactly
Yes, sir.
histograph.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes, Rudra.
Sir, actually, sir, in exam, sir, I got 24 questions correct and only one question, which is 19th question, I got wrong, sir. So my marks should be 49.75, sir, not 47.75.
Who is this Gautam Krishna? How could he answer? He could get 50.
Sir,
Huh?
I'm Rudra, sir, I should get 49.75, sir.
There's negative marking.
There's negative marking and each question is 2 marks.
Yes. Okay, leave about the marks. Anyways, you please concentrate on what concept you are learning in the class. That's important. Leave about the marks. Marks are just parameters to increase your capability. Next, what shall we discuss? What we are discussing? The range of data 7, 13, 6 to 5. What is this? What is the range?
19, sir.
19.
19.
What is the low value here? Range means what?
Sir, highest value minus lowest value, sir.
So range is highest value minus
Lowest value, sir.
highest value minus
The maximum value minus minimum.
So here if you see 20 range of the data given. Okay. Highest value is 25, lowest value is 6 here. So 25 minus 6 will
19,
be
sir.
9.
19.
19.
Sir, but how do we find, sir? It does not make sense, sir. You did not. Is the question framed correctly on his right, sir? The range of the data.
Yes, range itself is in a given data, the highest number minus lowest number.
Okay, sir. I was just a little confused.
Next, 18 out of 36 people love reading. So reading in the pie chart will be represented by.
Sir, semicircular sector, sir. Semicircular.
So this is pie chart 30 degrees. Sorry, 360 degrees. So pie chart is 360 degrees means 18 by 36. So 18 by 36 is total. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 360 degrees. That is
180 degrees.
So these people love reading and these people not. That is simple question. Even a stupid fellow can answer this. I gave you a biscuit packet of 10 biscuits in it. I had 5 biscuits. What point of biscuits you have means what? 5. It's such a kind of question. When a coin is thrown, the total number of possible outcomes is
2, sir. 2.
Very good. 3 dice are thrown together. Find the number of outcomes.
216, sir.
Together, this every question which we discussed in the class is here in the question paper. So no point of getting confused, or if you know, go through the answer or questions or concept we discussed in the class, then you will confuse. So please make sure that while you are attending the test, please make sure that go through the class notes, get clarity and clear about your particular topic concepts, and then you give the test. So we are winding up with this chapter, that is data handling. We discussed every concept of data handling as per 8th class syllabus, and we did a lot of problems on this. So I hope every one of you clear with the concepts. If you have any doubts, please let me know. And next class we will be starting with mensuration, as many people are advising to take up with the mensuration chapter. We will be starting with mensuration chapter. But for now, let me know what chapter is fine with you. Mensuration is fine with you people?
Sir, comparing quantity.
You do linear equations.
Sir, comparing quantity.
Linear equations, comparing quantities. What should I take up with?
Comparing quantities, sir.
Sir, comparing quantities is also okay, sir.
Okay, let us go with comparing quantity. Last year, which chapter you want? Are you here in the class?
So instead of comparing quantities, can we do mensuration only?
Comparing quantities, let us go with mensuration. Mensuration is a big chapter, so let us go with it. Comparing quantity, small
Yes,
chapter,
sir.
we will finish it on very quick go. So tomorrow's class, that is tomorrow is Wednesday. So Thursday's class, we will be starting with a new chapter, that is mensuration. So I hope everyone has cleared with the concepts of data handling. Let me know if you have any doubts, or else you can leave the session. Have a great day. I'll be
Bye, sir.
staying here for 2 or 3 minutes. If you have any doubt, please ask, or else you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you have any doubt, Sai, Karthika and
No, sir.
Lasya? Okay, chalo, bye.